Hey, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy DIY Trucker Day. Today what we're going to do is show you how to battery on a 2017 Nissan Altima. All right, so let's get it. What you're going to need is this flathead screwdriver, and you're going to need 32 battery. All right, let's get it. All right, first what you want to do is take out the key. Take the key out like so. Flip it here. Try to grab it here on the sides. You want to pry it up real slow. You don't want to go hard and fast on it. Just enough to get it like so. All right, just enough to get it right here. Just want to pry it real slow. On the side, you don't want to crack nothing. Just get on the side, open it up. There you go. You get it? That's it right there. Now what you want to do now, the same way you see it right here. That's the front, other side is the back. Get a screwdriver here. We're going to try to get that out of there, like so. We got that out. Let's try to. It's not a bad one, but we ain't going to use it though. Got some glue on that one. So you just want to open it up from the side here. Quick little video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video. Those who came back to the channel, this pretty much just changing the battery on a remote for a 2017 Nissan Altima. Put that right there, like so. Take this, flip it back in. Pretty much about it. You're gonna put the key back in there, and that's how you change the battery. All right, on the 2017 Nissan Altima. Plain and simple. All right, so let's go outside and check. Doors open. Door locked. Door open. Door locked. All right. See the remote, let's get check and see if the remote start work. Lock it. All right, the remote start work. So the remote start work. Much about it on the 2017 Nissan Altima, so everything works. So just pretty much turn it back on. Lock, open the door, lock it. That's it. Get at y'all later. All right, YouTube, let's see if it works. All right, so here we go. So. All right, door open, door locked. All right, let's get it focused real quick. Door open, door locked. All right, see the remote start work. All right, remote start work. That's how you change the battery. So if you have any problem opening and closing your door, just check the battery. Most of the time it's just the battery, all right? I'm trying to get that to focus right there. All right, so what we're gonna do, turn it off.